Load your family into the 2009 Nissan Murano. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive provides for safe passage, regardless of road or weather conditions. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including front and rear reading lights, front dual-zone air conditioning, heated door mirrors, a tonneau cover, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.